I got In-N-Out. It looks so freaking good. Look at this burger. I crave In-N-Out extra at nighttime.
Yes.
Like, this is so good. Look at that. It's so good. Wow. I got animal fries with chopped chilies. Look at how insane.
Yeah. I mean, it's delicious every time. Come on now. Let's just be honest, Dave.
Line was so long, but it's like, it's always so long when you go to In-N-Out.
Oh. Because it's the fucking best burger.
No words tonight. Cheers.